So this is just a quick little video completing page 72, question 1, this wine glass here, okay? So we're using what we learned today in class by bisecting chords to find the center point of the circles that we need, okay? So we're going to have to do it in two places here now in this question. We're going to have to do it for the bottom portion of the circle here and for the actual wine glass circle portion on the top, okay? So the very first thing anyway, we can draw our base 70 long. We know that point, and we know this point up here then as well. Okay? So I'm going to do the base first of all. So I'm drawing my line across the page, straight across the page, and I'm measuring 70 on it. So I'm measuring 70 millimeters, and we're going to get the middle of that in as well for our center line, which is 35 millimeters. I'm going to draw in my center line up my page, and the top part of the bottom circular curve is 15 millimeters. So I'm measuring up here 15 millimeters to there. Okay, I'm going to call that point 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 points on the circumference of the circle. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to join point 1 and 2, and we're going to bisect that line. So to bisect the line, you get your compass and you put it more than halfway of the line. Put the point down on number 1 in this case, swing an arc on the left and the right of the line. Keep the same distance on the compass, point down on number 2, swing an arc left and right, and we get that kind of an X shape. We can join through that X shape then, like that. That's that line bisected. Okay? I'm going to have to do the exact same thing over here on the other side. So this time we're joining points 3 and 2. So joining points 3 and 2, bisecting this line. So compass more than halfway, point to the compass down on 3, swing an arc left and right of the line. Same distance in the compass, point on number 2, swing an arc left and right of the line. Drawing that bisecting line, and they meet down here then. So the 2 bisections of the line meet way down here. We know now that that is the center for the circle that contains 1, 2, and 3, like so. Darkening the base there now as well. Lovely. Now I'm going to draw in the stem of the wine glass. Actually doesn't tell us how wide the stem of the wine glass is, it should. Okay. I'm going to make the stem of the wine glass 10 millimeters. I'm going to go 5 each side of that center line. I'm going to draw in the stem. From the bottom here up to the bottom of the circle for the wine glass, it's 56. So that's it there. I'm also able to come straight up from points 1 and 3. So straight up from 1, straight up from 3. And I'm going to go up a distance of 126 to get that point. Straight across then. And that's it over there then, okay? So there are now also 3 points on the circumference of this other circle. I'm going to call those A, B, and C. Okay? Exact same method. We're going to join A and B together, and we're going to bisect the line. So compass needs to be more than halfway of the line. I'm going to put the point on B, and I'm going to swing an arc left and right of the line. Same distance on the compass, point down on A, swing an arc left and right of the line, and we can join these in. I'm going to join C and B together, and I'm going to bisect it. So compass more than halfway, point down on B, swing an arc left and right of the line, point down on C, swing an arc left and right of the line. Now if you notice, when I swung from C, it didn't intersect. That's no problem. Just point down on B again and extend that. There we go. I'm going to join in those bisections. Where those two bisecting lines we've drawn meet, which is right there, that's giving me the center of the circle. Extend your compass to point A. There. Send that across. Then it comes 110 millimeters up from here for the actual wind portion. And then we can draw in, darken in here my part of the wind mask. Okay? So that's that question now fully completed. Page 72, question 1. And it's just using what we learned on page 71 in the worked example.